If you're in a continuous improvement manager role, you're not an expert. You need to be the person who knows which expert to go to, because it's like, the knowledge is a mile wide but a foot deep, instead of the foot wide and a mile deep. So like if we're going to look to do like automating packaging of a line, I need to make sure I get the right engineer. I need to get the operators who will be working on that line. Like, what do you need to make this successful? So it's getting the right people in the room after doing that problem solving step. And then if it's gonna, you need to figure out the cost. Each company has its own thresholds. Is this a capital project? Is this something I can just go put on the company card? Is this that we can fix it in a week, a month? Do I need to do a return on investment? So you need to know your own thresholds. If your company says 10 million is capital, okay. If it's under 10 million, there's another process. If it's under, 5,000, you can just go buy it. So make sure you know your company's outlines, and then learn what they want as an ROI. But those would be all kind of those next steps.